Markets should not trick you. See where the market is right now at 29.2k. Is market going to move down, or we're going to see the market revolve around this 28,300 before movement to the upside? And on the 4-hour chart, is market going to come back down? ETH right here, what are you expecting? And on Matic, massive movement to the downside since day before yesterday up till this moment. All of this and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Don't forget to share this video. On the 1-day chart, BTC USDT, if you look at this area, market has been on this very level for a very long time, and right now you see the market failed to move to the upside and have tendency of moving downward. One thing I pointed out in my last video is we need to see reduced momentum on the histogram, approaching the zero line right here on the histogram before we can say that the market is going to move to the upside, and possible appearance of green bar on the positive side of the MACD right on this area. That is what I said you should pay attention to. I am still looking at the market moving to the upside. There is no need to panic right now. I have not entered any position because I believe market is going to move to the upside, and I need to see a significant volume in the market followed by a strong or significant bullish candle on the chart. So right now market is still within this area. I told you that market have capacity of coming back to 28,300 using the Fibonacci retracement tool. So if I use the Fibonacci retracement tool right here, from swing low right here to swing high, and then you see that this very area is where the market have 29,100. So market can break here and then come back to this very area of 28,300. That is what I said, because the possibility of the market just coming back down a little bit exists, then we see that very move in the market. Remember, next month August we don't have any Fed interest rate meeting. The next interest rate decision will be September, and that is very important to the market. So market will drop a little bit, and then we'll see the next move to the upside after this little drop. And because you can see, after this very bearish candle to the downside, market did not move to the upside anymore. Rather, we see this consolidation within this area. That means a breakout of this consolidation with a cross below this very area of 0.382 of the Fibonacci retracement. The market is going to move all the way to this very area before we see that very movement to the upside. And if you look at the MACD as well, market has been on this bearish move to the downside on the MACD histogram up to this very area. And if you look at it, there is a little decline in momentum from the downside to the upside, approaching the zero line a little bit. So we need to see that very momentum to reduce significantly to the zero line on the MACD right here, and possible formation of a green bar on the positive side of the MACD to signify that the market is going to move to the upside. So for now, look for short opportunity instead of buy opportunity. Once you see that significant bullish candle, which I am going to tell you is the right time to start looking for buy opportunity on the BTC USD 1-day chart, guys, on the 1-day chart. So this is what you need to see, pay attention to right now. Don't panic into the market or panic out of the market. Monitor the market very well and do proper technical analysis. We don't have any strong fundamental next month aside the CPI data. And on the 4-hour chart right here, you see the market make move all the way down yesterday, and then this very move. I know that some person panic into this position, but like I told you earlier in my last video, that the market need to cross certain levels. If market did not cross certain levels, then there is no need to enter any position. And I made mention of this very area of resistance. So this very level of resistance right here is very important, and this very area as well is very important right here. And that the market had to move and break this level of resistance upward. We must see a bullish candle that break this level of resistance and create a new high higher than the previous high at this area. That is an indication that the market is going to move to the upside. We do not see any candle like that. Rather, the market move up to this point and is coming back down right now. So if this candle close bearish, just like we are seeing right now, then the capacity of the market moving to the downside exists. Pay attention to this very line of support and this very area of support on the chart. So market should move into this very zone. A breakout on this very zone will further make the market to move into $8,300. Okay, so markets have capacity of moving downward when it breaks this level of important support. So this is what I am paying attention to right now. These two very important resistance right here and support at this area is very important on the chart. A breakout here on the 4-hour chart is going to send the market into $28,300, and a breakout here out of this resistance is going to send the market back to the upside. That means market is going to approach the 30k level before retracement and then continuation. So pay attention to this area of resistance right now and this level of support. ETH USD 1-day chart, if you look at this area, market move a little bit and then right now it's coming back to the downside. Of course, you know that the market have high capacity of going to the downside because we have the MACD already forming on the negative side of the MACD, this histogram right here. And like I said earlier as well, that we need to see a reduced momentum on the MACD histogram approaching this very zero line. Once we see that, a possible formation of a green bar on the positive side is an indication that the market is going to move up. And right now what we are seeing is a drop to the downside, and I said this very area is still very key in the market. I am not expecting the market to break down below this very area. Like I said, the possibility of the market breaking out of this very level of support exists, but that is not what I am paying attention to right now. I am expecting that the market move in here and then move back up again. And if we see a breakout of this very level of important support, that means the market is going to come back into this zone of 1,728 and this area of 1,743. This is what I'm expecting on the 1-day chart ETH, and on the 4-hour chart ETH right here, if you look at it, the market is coming back down. And I also said that you should pay attention to two key levels. You know, there are some times in the market that you don't need to trade. You have to wait for certain opportunity to appear before taking a trade. Not taking a trade in the market is actually trading, because it saves you from losing your capital or equity. So I am expecting this market to come in here. Like I said in my previous video, this very level of support is very important, and the market have to come back down into this area before move to the upside. And for the market to move up, we have to see the market break above this very level of resistance. You see, this very high needs to be broken. That means we have to see a market that moves significantly and create a new high, higher than the previous high at this very area. Once we see that, then market is going to move to the upside. So this level of resistance right now and this very area of resistance is the zone you need to pay attention to on the ETH 4-hour chart before you begin to take buy position or long opportunity. So this level should be broken before you begin to look for buy and long opportunity in the market. This is what you need to pay attention to right now, because it's very important. If you look at it, the market is just moving between these two zones, which is a ranging market. So if you don't know how to trade a range, then leave and relax for the market to make this move before taking any position. Matic USDT 4-hour chart, if you look at this very area, market is moving to the downside. I told you that market have capacity of breaking this very level of support and coming back down, entering into this very zone. That is what we are seeing right now, Matic. And if this candle close bearish right now, then that means market is going to still move into the zone before the next move to the upside. I told you to pay attention to two zones on Matic. The first one is this very area of important support and this very zone of support as well. That market have capacity of moving from these two zones, and what you need to pay attention to is increase in volume and significant bullish candle to the upside. We've not seen that since I made mention of that, and right now market is coming down. Still look for short opportunity on Matic. Don't buy yet because market is still in a downtrend. We need to see the market begin to create higher highs and higher lows to further confirm that market is about moving to the upside. So right now what you need to do is to wait for the market to come in here and then look for possible buy opportunity when you see increase in volume and significant bullish candle out of this very zone of support. That means market moving here, move out of this zone and cross this very zone of support right there, which is resistance. Then markets have high capacity of moving to the upside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on the Matic USDT 4-hour chart. For now, look for short opportunity downward and not buy opportunity on the 4-hour chart Matic. What do you think about BTC right now? Do you think Bitcoin is going to drop into this area of 0.50 on the Fibonacci retracement, or we're going to see the market drop right down into this very area of support? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis like this for profitable trading, check the description of this video. See contact, reach out to me for mentorship. You are new to this channel, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.